Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I'm sharing with you this amazing product by Alicam, and they are soon to be releasing this Aqua Cast, and I have been kindly sent this sample to try, and I did try it before, so I'm trying it now as well. So one of the qualities that I find interesting about this Aqua Cast is that the binding agent is added to the powder already, so you just need to add water. That's it. So what I'm doing here is instructions are all given in the paper that's been sent. So the process of mixing it is you add water first and then you add the powder to it and the required amount you want. So one of the exciting part that I want to discuss with you here is that you really don't have to follow the instructions. You can add as much water as you like. However, this will depend on the curing time of the project. So do it carefully. And while making this terrazzo, I didn't follow any rules. First, what I'm doing here is I am making the terrazzo. So I added my pigment into the container. Onto a plastic sheet, I will be spreading this aqua cast and do it in a thin layer. And now we let it dry. I made another color as well. So as I mixed this terrazzo very thin, so it took some time, and after around, you can say 3 hours, it was all dried up, and now I am doing the crunching. So when I'm done crushing this terrazzo, I will be dividing it into two parts, and I will be sieving it. First, I will be sieving it through this container as it has big holes. So all the small pieces will come through and leaving me behind big pieces. By the way, I saw this technique done by Claire's, so this is really useful. And now I will be sieving it again. So all the powder will be left behind. In this way, I will be getting a very clear terrazzo. This process is really up to you. If you want to do it, you can do it, and if you want to leave it out, it's really up to you. So it's all done now. So again, I'm measuring here. As you can see, I have 35 grams of water into my container, and to this I will be adding 100 grams of powder. I'm already really happy about it, that it's just the powder you need to buy, that's it. So now I'm mixing it. And this Aquacast do take all the colors very nicely that you use in Jasmonite or Hydroflow. Again, I'm really happy because I'm getting no lumps here. The mixture is so clear. You can see by yourself. So this mold has been made by myself, and I will link the video where I made this. It's been quite a time now, but this was my labor of work. The way I've made terrazzo is that I do first a layer of terrazzo on into the dish. I do set them as I like. So I'm mixing here the big chunks and the small. Rest I'm adding to the powder, the mixture. Just adding some few bits here and there. So now I'm adding the mixture into the mold. And again, you have to tap the mold to release the air bubbles as much as you can. This is a really important step not to be missed. You need to tap it and tap it. It is really smooth as a butter, and I really love the texture. So I will leave it to cure. And as I follow the instructions in this one, so after around 90 minutes, I am demolding it. During this whole process, I was thinking that Alicam has been so cleverly made this Aquacast and how brilliant the idea was. So it's out of the mold, and now we have to reveal the terrazzo. And into the container, I am doing the wet sanding. I always do the sanding into the containers, not directly into the sink. This is how it turned out after wet sanding. And now comes the important part, and I'm sealing it with this wax. What I do is I rub it on with my hand, and then after that, I buff it with a soft cloth. And this is how it turned out. The final look, and I hope you like it. I really enjoyed it working with this Aquacast just by using only the water, and you can see I created the terrazzo effect, and it's all been passed and done. So they are releasing the product on, I think, 4th of August, and I will link their website in my description. So go on and order yourself and enjoy. I will be ordering it a lot when they are releasing it. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye-bye.